7 symptoms of a bad throttle position sensor, TPS. Check engine light is on. Car stalls when accelerating. Close-up of throttle body. Does your car stall when you press the gas pedal? Is the check engine light on for no apparent reason? This could be caused by a faulty throttle position sensor, or TPS. In this video, we'll explain the 7 most common symptoms of a bad TPS, why it happens, and when it should be replaced. Let's get started. First, you need to know what the throttle position sensor is and how it works. An animation showing the throttle body and TPS. The throttle position sensor is attached to the throttle body. It measures how far the throttle plate is open and sends that information to the engine control module, or ECM. The ECM uses this data to control fuel injection, ignition timing, and transmission shifting. If the TPS fails, the engine may not understand exactly how much power you are asking for. Symptom 1. Check engine light on. Dashboard with check engine light illuminated. The most common sign of a failing TPS is the check engine light on. The ECM detects incorrect throttle position signals. A scan tool can confirm whether the TPS is causing the problem and stores trouble codes such as P0120, P0121, P0122, or P0123. Symptom 2. Poor acceleration drive. Presses the accelerator, but the car responds slowly. If your car feels sluggish or doesn't accelerate smoothly, the TPS may be sending incorrect information to the ECM. As a result, the engine may not deliver the correct amount of fuel, causing delayed or weak acceleration. Symptom number 3. Rough or unstable idle. RPM needle moving up and down. A bad TPS can cause rough idling or fluctuating engine speed. The RPM may rise and fall unexpectedly, and in some cases, the engine may stall while idling. Symptom number 4. Engine hesitation or shaking. A car generally shakes while driving. If your car shakes or hesitates while driving, especially when accelerating, the TPS may be showing an inconsistency in the throttle reading. This can make driving uncomfortable and even unsafe. Symptom number 5. Poor fuel economy. Fuel gauge dropping quickly. When the TPS sends incorrect data, the engine may inject more fuel than necessary. This leads to increased fuel consumption and more frequent trips to the gas station. Symptom number 6. Hard shifting or transmission problems. Automatic transmission shifts roughly. In many automatic transmission vehicles, the transmission also relies on TPS information. A faulty sensor can cause delayed shifts, harsh gear changes, or unexpected shifting. Symptom number 7. Engine stalling. Engine stalls at a traffic light. In severe cases, a failed TPS may cause the engine to stall while idling or even while driving. This happens because the ECM receives incorrect throttle information and cannot maintain the correct air-fuel mixture. Common causes of TPS failure: dirty throttle body, damaged wiring, worn sensor. Several factors can cause TPS failure, including normal wear over time, DIR, or carbon buildup in the throttle body, damaged wiring or loose connectors, moisture entering the sensor, internal electronic failure. How to diagnose a bad TPS. To diagnose a faulty TPS, scan the car for trouble codes, check the live TPS data with an OBD2 scanner, inspect the wiring and connectors, measure the sensor voltage with a multimeter, clean the throttle body if it's dirty, always confirm the problem before replacing the sensor. New TPS installed. Car driving smoothly. A faulty throttle position sensor can affect your engine's performance, fuel economy, and driving safety. If you notice these symptoms, don't ignore them. Diagnosing the problem early can help prevent more expensive repairs later. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share.